Hemway Intelligent Water Softener W636 Installation and Use Guide. Prepare random accessories according to the accessory list. Prepare a water tank or tower with a floating ball. Step 1. Installing filters. Choose a suitable installation location. Locking device caster brake. Install the filter on the side of the main unit. Use a wrench to tighten the nut. Connect the filter water supply pipe to the filter. Tighten the nut. Connect one end of the water inlet pipe to the main engine water inlet. The other end is connected to the valve of the water source pipeline. Connect one end of the water outlet pipe to the filter. The other end is connected to the water tower inlet. Step 2. Install the inlet-outlet pipe. Wrap roll tape around the main engine drain overflow port. Install the 4-point internal thread interface and tighten it for reinforcement. Remove the drain outlet nut and insert the transparent hose. Tighten the hose to the drain outlet again. On the other end of the hose, install the 4 outer thread interface. Connect the sewage pipe interface to the main sewage pipe again. Remove the overflow port nut and insert the transparent hose. Tighten the hose to the overflow port again. On the other end of the hose, install the 4 outer thread interface. Connect the overflow pipe interface to the main drainage pipe again. Step 3. Add specialized salt. Press once to open the salt filling port on the side of the body. Slowly add 5 kg water softener specific salt to the salt tank. Close the salt inlet. Step 4. Start the device. Connecting the power supply. Device startup starts running. Daily maintenance. Replace filter element. Close the inlet pre-valve. Use the special wrench included in the accessory package. Unscrew the filter cartridge. Remove the old filter element. Replace with a new filter element. Replace the filter element and rubber seal. Hemway, professional manufacturer of energy-saving boilers and ironing equipment.